Now in the kitchen this morning, summer has arrived. We're cooking a gorgeous grilled chicken and mango salad. Look at it.
It looks great. Yes, here to show us how it's done is Sham from my kitchen in Carrick. Sham, good morning to you.
Morning, guys.
Great to have you with us. We saw sunshine at the weekend. It was so nice, wasn't it? So you're cooking something really summery here.
Really summery. You eat with your eyes, the colourful dish, and then really, really little cooking. That's all you have to do.
It's very little cooking.
Very little cooking. Yeah.
But in fairness, now you've prepped a lot of stuff here.
Yeah,
what goes into it.
Yeah, it's a lot of greens and vegetables and herbs that go into it. But the cooking part of it is basically the chicken. So you can use the pan, you can use barbecue chicken breast or chicken thigh ideally. But I just cut whole breast. I cut into 3 thin slices.
Okay.
To make sure that it's easier to see on the barbecue.
Lovely.
So mix it in there, right?
And you're marinating it into...
Marinating, yeah. So what I use is I use black pepper.
And now, Sham, you're using a lot of black pepper here.
Really?
There's a kick off this.
Yeah, black pepper basically for the heat.
Is there something underneath that?
I already have some marinated earlier.
Oh, you have some? All right, okay.
So the one I have. So basically you have a soy sauce, so the saltiness.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically you could bring up the umami flavor.
So you don't need extra salt with this then?
No,
okay,
no.
perfect.
So nice. Garlic, of course, we need garlic for the flavor. It's really important for that. A bit of garlic into it.
Okay.
And also you can substitute, usually Thai, Japanese, all use sugar. Right. So you can substitute with honey if you don't want to use sugar.
Okay.
Okay, so if you use sugar...
Japanese sugar?
Yeah, Japanese or Asian cooking, they use a lot of sugar.
Sorry.
Yeah. And then so basically, if you don't want to use sugar, you can use honey instead.
Okay.
So just remember, when you put honey into it, it caramelizes quicker than usual.
Yeah,
Okay,
when you're cooking it.
When you're cooking it, so just be ready to put enough oil into it. So basically, you have that. So with this marination, because it's salt and sugar and pepper, you don't want to marinate too long. Okay. So make sure that when you marinate them, you just have enough time to marinate them, like maximum an hour.
It kind of cooks it, does it? Or it takes away the tenderness?
It's tenderness as well, but if you over-marinate them, it's called overpower them, the flavor. You won't taste the chicken at all.
Oh, right,
because the soy sauce have a nice kind of MSG, natural MSG into it, might overpower it. Okay? So a bit of oil into it, into a hot pan, or if you have a barbecue at home. Okay, so just like that. And you can see how thin it is, so I have
they'd be done like in 2 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. So just kind of don't overcrowd it. I have some of the one at the bottom that already...
I did this at the weekend.
On the barbecue?
I know.
In the pan?
In the pan.
Yeah.
No, actually, barbecue, you're right. I did on. And then I took it off and did it with like sticky rice and stuff as well.
Oh, yeah,
lovely.
beautiful. Yeah, that's absolutely, that's the way
Great,
to do it.
the kind of the honey and soy sauce.
Helps.
Yeah, it's beautiful,
It
yeah.
has the caramelization, the flavor, the soy sauce, sugar also. It will create a little bit of splash when you cook them. So just remember, move around the oil so it's cooking rather than it caramelize, because what happens, it could burn really quick.
Okay.
Okay, so if you start caramelizing, barbecue, you don't have to worry about it. Just flip over and back. With a pan, see that? The color. So leave it like that. So we're going to make the dressing for the salad while we turn it over here.
Now, in fairness, you've mango, you've loads of stuff here.
Sweet, Thai, Asian cooking, sweet, crunch, all the key. So what I have is I have a bit of ginger. Okay. You have a bit of lime juice. Okay, sesame oil. A bit of fish sauce, nampla. So this basically
Fish sauce?
Fish sauce, yeah.
Oh, wow.
So basically give the saltiness into it. You marinate them again.
It smells disgusting, but it tastes good,
Oh,
doesn't it?
yeah, absolutely. The
It's
flavor.
like oyster sauce as well. That's another one. Oh.
Yeah, it's basically kind of a really, really intense flavor. At the same time, you just want to make sure that you mix everything else well, rather than just have it on its own. So that's like that, mix it in. Now, this is the stage, and you just mix everything else in there. A bit of chili.
So you have whatever you have in the fridge, really, is it? You have a little bit of tomato, you have a bit of mango, a bit of carrot.
Absolutely. So a bit of heat here, so I use a bit of chili. Okay. Mango. A bit
So
of
you've
coriander.
diced all this,
Yeah.
the mango and everything else?
Yeah, you can slice, dice, whatever you want. And you see, because the acidity of the lime juice there, it will wilt the cabbage, even though it's not cooked.
Yeah. Oh, you're cabbage. I don't think I've ever bought a mango in my life.
We would do
ripe
mango
mango's
a
nice.
bit, yeah.
Would
Love
you?
it. The kids love a mango, yeah.
Peppers again for the crunch and color.
like
a bit of thin sliced shallot.
Jeepers.
Yeah, so mix it in. I just want to flip over this here now. See that? It's not caramelizing.
Yeah.
See? So this is the stage. If you're panicking, you worry about it, you can always put a little bit of water or put a little bit more oil into it. So at least it'll stop it cooking, yeah? Stop it burning. That, everything in. A bit of color.
Wow.
I have a bit of vermicelli noodle And always don't forget the crunch.
What's that?
Peanuts.
Peanuts?
Yeah, the crunch.
And have you just bashed them a bit?
Yeah, or you can put into your NutriBullet or your blender or something like
Yeah.
that. You can blitz it up and you just mix it in. So all that, you can see the color. Now, you don't want to do it too early either, because what happened then, the crunch will be gone.
Yeah.
The lime will build everything all together.
yeah.
You know, you want a bit of crunch as well. But that's the flavor that like that. One thing about this dish is, because a lot of element going into it, you don't want to serve the chicken kind of like that. You want to slice them a little bit. So every mouthful, you have the chicken, you have all the zing, you know, rather than just...
And you're not cutting it up yourself on the plate.
No,
Yeah.
exactly. You know, so
Like,
like,
this is a great bowl, like a big dish in the middle of a table.
Absolutely. You know,
Like,
that's
look at the colour on that. All
Yeah.
the different,
Yeah.
you know,
All the
what you're
different,
eating in
yeah.
that.
So
Great.
that's you see that even that already, the color, and the chicken are just gonna use it. See that nice caramelization into it. Like this one's definitely ready. And then
God, I would have thought they'd be well ready.
yeah, no, I'm gonna take it off the heat. I want to make sure it's cooked, and then just turn it off, and you just serve it out like this. Look at the
No,
color.
the colours are
Imagine
fantastic, yeah.
the crunch is still there, even if the cost lettuce I put in is still there.
Yeah.
If you leave this out another 10, 15 minutes, everything will go wilted. So you need to serve it there and then straight away.
All right, okay.
Beautiful color like that, and this is what the chicken
Look
already
at the colour on that.
slice it up the
Great.
chicken earlier like this.
Wow.
And that's, you know, like today lunchtime, you're coming back, you have all these ingredients ready, you sear up the chicken.
Sham, it is delicious.
The mango is gorgeous
Yeah,
as
the
well.
mango's
Just makes
gorgeous.
it so
Sweetness of it.
summery. Yeah.
And then a little bit of crispiness on the top as
Yeah.
well.
Sorry, just a bit on
Just
the lime
delicious.
juice. Did
Yeah.
you squeeze those limes?
Use lime juice, fresh
Okay.
lime. Only
Yeah.
use fresh lime. You know what I mean? So lemon might be too strong. Fresh
Okay.
lime goes well with this dish.
Sham, as always, a
delicious.
pleasure. Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
for
Alan.
coming in
Thank
this
you.
morning.